It's not very often we showcase the success of our clients in a particular strategy we involve, but today I just thought I would because these numbers are really good. We had a client recently come on board. We did a 6-month content marketing strategy, formulated the target topics and articles that we would put together for their site to promote it, and really without doing any more ads or any other traffic generation services. This is the power that a really good content marketing strategy can achieve. Let's have a look. This is SEMrush dashboard, and it's pulling in the Google Analytics review. I've hidden some data just to protect the innocent, but let's have a look. Sessions up. This is in 60 days, so we're only halfway through this strategy, and in 60 days we've increased the sessions, the number of visits to the site, by over 300%. With unique visitors is up 327%. Page visits are up, so they're navigating through the site more, they're reading more content and looking at different products and services and topics in a more engaged way. The average duration on the page is up 7%, so they're spending over 2 minutes on the site navigating through, which is brilliant. And more importantly, their bounce rate is down as well. Bounce rate is down 9%, 8.9% to 39%. That is a fantastic bounce rate. This is a good navigational flow around those pages. So I really want to congratulate this client for committing to a content marketing strategy, and Sarah in office is doing a great job in getting these numbers happening and really structuring that strategy to really show some really good performance. So well done, Sarah, and we look forward to future working with this client in the coming months.